Guys, do you know how to create the button that cancels the specific date in the specific cell, like in this example? Before you start, you need to know few things. The first one, when you have created the Excel file, it is necessary to save it in the Excel macro enabled workbook format. The second one, go to Review and click on Options Accessibility. Customize the ribbon, and the most important thing is that all the checkboxes should be checked. And the third thing, you have to go to Developer and choose Visual Basic. Here we are going to write our VBA code. Don't forget to create the module. Go to Insert and choose Module. So, here we are. Let's go. Let's write our formula. We start. Sub, clear single cell, open and close the bars. Go down and write range, open the bar, quotes. We select the cell where we wanted to cancel the data that we should be cleared. In this case it's E6. Close the bars, point, and here there are different type of options like clear, clear comments, clear contents, formats. In this case we need to choose clear contents. Okay, as soon as you're there, just press on the button Run the formula. As the result, all our data will be cleaned. But you will ask me now, how to create the bottom? Let's go also with the bottom. So, go to Developer, choose Insert and click on the bottom. Design our bottom and select our Assign macro. As the result, we got our bottom, press on it and all the data will be cleaned. That is amazing. Guys, enjoy the video. Put your like and subscribe.